Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers back out here at our Kansas City project. This is out by 31st and Grand. Today we're going to restore the walls. We chipped out all the old stuff, wire brushed it yesterday, removed the existing floor. It's in a big pile out in the backyard. I don't want to get the pile in the backyard any bigger, so we're going to transform these walls today. So stay with me after this this work we're going to do today. We'll shoot a video this afternoon and you can see a huge difference. So let's show everybody what these walls look like. These are all going to be mortared with King Piers high strength recipe of concrete. This room right here, you will not recognize this room when we're finished, so stay with us on these videos. Give us a like, share our videos. If you know anybody that has an old historic home and they want to restore it, have them call me. The estimates are free. But we totally restore these. It does two things. When you put the mortar over the walls, it does add structural strength to it, and it does waterproof it. Now, we're not piering the bottom row of stone on these, which would create more stability. So in the future, one of these stones from the dirt on the outside of the wall, hydrostatic pressure could move one of these stones a fraction of an inch, and it can cause a crack in the mortar. So what I tell homeowners is call me when you have the crack, and I'll send somebody over and we'll seal the crack with NP 150 polyurethane. We'll wait about 30 minutes and let it dry, and then we'll coat the wall where we repaired the crack with waterproofing paint so it all matches. And that's about it. This room here is going to get a new floor just like the rest of the basement. So I'm real excited about this project. Stay with me. KingPiers.com, 816-521-8915. Thank you.